My friend Vasko just bought a brand new PC with a sleek, modern looking, great Cooler Master case. It was for some reason too big for the box, so our unboxing went a little bit wrong. And here it is, equipped with 3 very low noise fans, i7 core 3.6 GHz processor with 12 GB of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 with 4 GB of GRAM, 1 SATA 3 TB HDD, and 120 GB SSD. Specs look very solid for 2018 and for a couple of years from now, but this PC has inspired me to ask the following question: why PCs as a hardware are off trend? There is no real hype about huge specs and whatnot. There's a short answer and a long answer. In short, we have reached all of the limits of specs in PCs. So we have very powerful processors. We can put as many GPUs as we want. We have built powerful servers and very powerful supercomputers. There's not much else you can do. The only personal limit you have is the amount of money you can spend on a PC. Now we only see the PCs as a utility, something that we need to do our jobs more efficient, and the creativity only remained in the software department. However, the real reason why PCs are on the way out lies in the fundamental construction of the PC. I mean the interface. We as human beings like to touch stuff and to interact with stuff. We have a great hand-eye coordination, but the PC is built upon this mouse, keyboard, monitor configuration that we can't really interact with it. There are no dedicated buttons, potentiometers, dials, and whatnot. Our experience with it is weak, unsatisfactory. It's too universal to say. And here are where the phones pop in. They are portable, yes, but the much more important thing is that they give the ability to interact with the fingers, with the hands, much better and much more organically than computers. They are universal too, which makes them flawed in a way, and hopefully we are going to use them less and less. I don't say that we need touch screens for our PCs or that the PCs are not useful. No doubt they are the best tool that human beings have ever created. But what I'm trying to say is that dedicated devices, analog or digital, such as receivers, boomboxes, players, cameras, microcontroller stuff, are going to get more and more popular because to their uniqueness, creativity, and they are dedicated. You can do just some amount of steps, but you can do them in a very unique order, and you can simulate everything with a computer, but that's never going to be fun enough. Thanks for watching.